YouTube automation, the future of passive income and scalable creativity in today's fast evolving digital world. The idea of earning money passively while systems work for you has never been more appealing or more possible. Welcome to the world of YouTube automation, where content creators, marketers, and entrepreneurs are leveraging systems, tools, and outsourcing to build successful, income-generating YouTube channels without ever showing their face or picking up a camera themselves. This is not just a side hustle anymore. It's a scalable online business model that can replace a full-time income and give you ultimate creative and financial freedom. So what is YouTube automation, really? At its core, it's the process of running a YouTube channel where every aspect, from scripting to editing to voiceover and uploading, is delegated or automated using freelancers, AI tools, and workflow systems. You don't have to film yourself, be an editor, or even speak on camera. You simply oversee the operation like a producer while the actual production is carried out by a team or system. This is what makes it such a powerful opportunity. Let's break it down into actionable tips and strategies that anyone can follow to start and scale a YouTube automation channel. Tip 1. Niche selection is everything. You can't build an empire on shaky ground. Your niche is the foundation of your YouTube automation channel. It determines your target audience, video ideas, SEO strategy, monetization method, and even the kind of team you'll hire. You want a niche that is evergreen, profitable, and scalable. Some of the best YouTube automation niches include finance and investing, e.g., make money online; crypto, stock market, health and wellness, e.g., fitness routines, psychology tips, luxury and motivation, e.g., success stories, billionaire lifestyles, tech reviews and trends, true crime and mystery, celebrity news, history documentaries, AI and future trends. Use tools like Google Trends, VidIQ, and TubeBuddy to validate demand. Don't pick a niche just because it pays well. Make sure you can consistently produce interesting content around it, or hire someone who can. Tip 2. Keyword research and SEO optimization without proper keywords. Your video is like a billboard in the middle of a desert. No one will see it. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world. Learning to rank your videos using keywords that people are already searching for is how you'll get traction, especially early on. Start with these steps. Use free tools like vidIQ, TubeBuddy, and keywords everywhere. Search for a broad topic like how to save money and see what videos are ranking. Look at their titles, tags, descriptions, and comments. Find low competition, high search volume keywords with long tail formats like how to save money on groceries in 2025. Also, consider using tools like ChatGPT to brainstorm dozens of forming video title variations based on your niche keywords. Tip 3. Build a dream team. Outsource strategically. You don't need to do everything yourself. That's the entire point of automation. Here's who you need on your team. Scriptwriter can be found on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Scripted. Pay per script or per word. Voiceover artist. Pick someone who matches the tone of your niche: professional, dramatic, energetic, etc. Video editor. This is a game changer. Look for someone who knows storytelling, pacing, and can work with stock footage and animations. Thumbnail designer. This can make or break your CTR click-through rate. Use platforms like Canva or hire freelancers who specialize in thumbnails. Channel manager optional. If you want to go hands-off completely, hire someone to upload, write descriptions, and manage publishing schedules. Outsource smart. Start small with 1 or 2 freelancers and scale as you grow. Use tools like Trello, Slack, or Notion to keep communication smooth. Tip 4. Use AI tools to speed up the process. We're in the golden era of AI. There are tools now that can write your scripts, generate voiceovers, and even edit your videos. Here are some of the best tools for YouTube automation. ChatGPT for idea generation, scripting, title optimization, and more. 11 Labs or Murph AI for realistic AI voiceovers, Pictory in video or Descript. These can turn scripts into full videos using stock footage, text, and animations. Canva Pro for stunning thumbnails even if you're not a designer. TubeBuddy or vidIQ for keyword research and SEO optimization. These tools don't just save time. They reduce your operational costs and speed up the production pipeline drastically. Tip 5. Content structure that retains viewers. YouTube values one metric above almost all else: watch time. If viewers click and leave, your channel will die a slow death. The solution: create a content structure that grabs attention, builds interest, and delivers value until the end. A winning format looks like this. Hook first 15 seconds, ask a question, make a bold claim, show shocking footage. Intro 30 seconds, tell the viewer what they'll get and why they need to watch. Main content, break your information into easy segments with visual transitions. Pattern interrupts, add animations, bold headlines, sound effects to retain attention. Call to action, ask them to subscribe, like, comment, but only after you've delivered value. The key is not just making a video, it's making a video people want to finish. Tip 6. Upload schedule and consistency. YouTube rewards consistency. Whether it's one video per week or 3, pick a schedule and stick to it. When your audience knows when to expect content, they return more often, and the algorithm loves that. Use scheduling tools to upload content and ensure a buffer of at least 2-4 weeks of ready-made videos. Batch your production. Write 5 scripts at once, then send to voiceover, then edit in chunks. This assembly line system is what makes automation efficient. Tip 7. Monetization strategies beyond AdSense. Ad revenue is just the start. You can monetize an automated YouTube channel in several ways. Affiliate marketing, promote products relevant to your niche. Sponsored content, brands will pay to be featured in your videos once you have views. Merchandise, sell branded products or print, on-demand items. Digital products, create and promote ebooks, courses, or templates. Memberships/Patreon offer exclusive content behind a paywall. YouTube Partner Program, once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours, enable monetization. Smart creators combine 3-4 of these income streams for long-term sustainable revenue. This is the first 2 zeros, 0 plus words. Shall I continue with the next segment covering channel growth strategies, algorithm tricks, automation mistakes, scaling to multiple channels, passive income scaling, and long-term brand building? Here are 3 important tips for succeeding with YouTube automation. Simple, powerful, and essential if you want to build a long-term passive income channel. 1. Pick a profitable and evergreen niche. Your niche determines your success. Choose a topic that people are always searching for, evergreen, and that can be easily monetized. Think finance, health, motivation, tech, or true crime. The niche should be something you or your hired team can create unlimited content around. Use tools like Google Trends, TubeBuddy, and vidIQ to validate your choice. Example: How to Make Money Online or Top 10 Billionaire Habits are both evergreen and highly monetizable. 2. Build a team and don't do everything yourself. YouTube automation means you don't record, edit, or voice anything yourself. Instead, you hire freelancers or use AI tools. Start small with a scriptwriter, a voiceover artist, or a iVoice tool, a video editor, or use tools like Pictory, or in video, a thumbnail designer once your system is running. All you do is manage the workflow. This is how one person can run multiple channels and scale fast. 3. Focus on click-through rate CTR and watch time. YouTube only pushes videos that people click and watch till the end. So, make eye-catching thumbnails and curiosity-driven titles. Hook your viewers in the first 15 seconds. Use engaging storytelling, visuals, and voiceovers to keep them watching. End strong with a call to action and teaser for your next video. Mastering CTR and watch time is the real secret to going viral and getting recommended by the YouTube algorithm. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.